Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a quick egg sandwich. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and about 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't forget 1 slice of cheese, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Make sure your frying pan, spatula, and toaster are all within easy reach for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's cook those eggs to perfection. First, whisk your 2 eggs in a small bowl with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the egg mixture and gently scramble for about 1 minute using your spatula. You want the eggs to be just set, but still wonderfully moist and fluffy. With your eggs cooked, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Start by toasting your 2 slices of bread to your liking. Golden brown is usually perfect. While the toast is warm, place 1 slice of cheese on 1 piece. The residual heat will help it melt beautifully. Then, carefully transfer your fluffy scrambled eggs onto the cheese. Finally, top it all off with the 2nd slice of toast. And there you have it. Your quick and delicious egg sandwich is complete and ready to enjoy. This entire process takes less than 5 minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings or a speedy lunch. Feel free to customize your sandwich with a dash of hot sauce, a few slices of avocado, or some fresh herbs. It's a satisfying and protein-rich meal that's great any time of day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.